everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is MD168. This video is about my unboxing of our director's chair. Enjoy and thank you. What's in the box? Oh, finally we got a good chair. Okay, baby, I want to see it.
Do I have to open it up?
Yeah, open it up. I want to see.
Why?
Well, I want you to sit down and look. We ordered it in Costco. That looks nice. Honey, go outside. Go outside.
That carpet there looks ugly.
That's okay. Yeah, hey, we got. Is that the same color?
I think so.
Nice. Let me have that box. Open it, unzip it. Ta-da! Turn around. Is that right?
Something stuck.
Maybe you have to. There's something on the bottom. There's something on the bottom.
Well, I don't want you to film it.
What is that?
It's got side bags.
Let me see. Side bags? Can we pull that like a table? That's nice. What's that for?
Like a cooler.
Oh, cooler. Put
You
your
can put
ice
your
and
drinks.
drinks.
You put like ice down in here and your
Drinks.
drinks.
That's cool. Something new. Ta-da! Put your ice and drinks.
I'll bring you some umbrellas. You can sit out here in the rain to try them out.
Now we got
My
this new
God,
style
are they
chair.
fancy.
Yeah, these are nice.
Hey, it's small.
What I like about it,
There's a
check it out, it's
bucket,
got a
too.
built-in cooler.
I see that.
And then this leg here, these legs are adjustable. So if you're on a crooked, if you're on a hill and it's crooked, you can balance
Honey, what's
yourself
this?
out.
What's this for?
That's an umbrella or a fishing rod.
Yeah.
That's a fishing rod holder.
Yeah, these are the Costco specials, 69 bucks and free delivery.
They're a holder and that's it.
That's fine. Yeah, we just needed some good chairs. These things here, they're not really very comfortable in the
Yeah,
jump.
no.
That's cool. That's for adjustment, like if you're on
So
a
then it
hill.
will be even, yeah,
Oh,
if you're on
yeah.
like a hill.
That's cool. Fancy. That's fancy.
So there you go. I'm gonna fold it up and put them in the house
Honey.
'cause it's gonna rain.
You want the...
I'll just leave it in the bag for now because I'm just gonna put it in the house.
Okay. There you go. Now I'm sitting down. Is it nice? It's comfortable chair. And then that side. Nice. More here. Ah. Now we get a good chair. One we got. There's some extra with for fishing, but we don't do fishing. Fishing director's chair. Like this. That's nice. Ta-da! It's getting empty now. People are leaving. And we are trying to tidy up our stuff and get ready to leave in a few days. See our neighbors here. We got a nice little home. Ta-da! That's my darling. Ta-da-da-da. It's a nice day today. We might write later. Well, that's it for now, guys. I hope you like my little unboxing. And it's very nice and comfortable. So thank you guys for watching. Ta-da! Ang bana. Ah, he found it.